As you can see here, I was just talking about this piece here that fell apart and stopped working the way it was. Probably something started to hiss from here, and it was just not repairable as it was. Now, there's different ways you could have fixed this. I could have just bought a replacement part up here and just sort of twisted this bit off. You can rotate it this way, so this part here can be rotated this way. Make sure that if you do rotate it this way, that this is all the way up, otherwise it will snap. But anyway, if you do that, you can just pop off this top and replace just this part. But I didn't do that. What I did, which is what most people would do, is you buy a new one and you just install the whole thing. And this one seems to be just fine. And funnily enough, it's the same brand. This one has some extra features, like you can figure out, there's this little knob here that allows more or less water depending on what you want to fill the tank with speed.
Likey